Yeah, so before we start with PyQt5, let me show you how we can get image from the webcam. So let's create a file, Python file, call it videocam or whatever you want, .py. So we have to import OpenCV, CV2, CV, and let's import NumPy. So yeah, as I told you, OpenCV is very simple with Python mainly. The external camera, no. So in order to use the camera that is in our notebook and something like that, we can just create a variable like cap and use cv dot video capture. So this is what we have to do. So if we want to use the webcam, which is inbuilt in our computer, so we just pass 0. But in Python or OpenCV, we can use external camera instead of using the inbuilt web camera from any portable computer. There is not much to do. OpenCV comes with the method video capture. So as you can see here, if 0 is passed as a parameter, then the inbuilt camera will be used. And if 1 is passed, the connected camera is used. So for now, I will use the inbuilt camera. So let's leave it like that with 0. So let's check if the camera is open. So we can use if statement, if cap is opened, and we can give it like that, false. So we just print a message to the user or to ourselves that unable to open or to read camera feed. Yeah, so anything else we can do whatever else we need. So what we can do is while loop, we loop over the program until the camera is open, that we can do something with the camera. So while true, that means while the camera is open. So colon. So we create some variable like frame, and we use the variable that we created to use the camera, and we just take the read function, so we can read the file, or we can see the frame. So, and what we have to do next, we can also add some if function, like if rate or frame is true or something like that, but I think that it will be alright, so I don't have to do those things. So what I can do, I can just show the image. So we use in show, we add the name of the window, and we just pass the frame here. So, and by using this, you saw before in last previews or in those functions or file that we use imshow to show the image, but now we have to show the image also, but as a video. So we use the function and inside the while loop. So let's put in another if to break the or to stop the video when something is pressed, like if CV2 wait key. Now we have to pass 1, you remember, and 0x big O FF is ORD, and let's use Q as remember everything every time we use Q. So we just break the program. Yeah, and we can just relays the camera after everything. So let's see, when everything is done, we use cap dot release, and we can close all windows. CV destroy all windows. Yeah. So if you want, you can even reset or resize the frame, but let's see for now. So I will show you a mouse. Let's try to run the program here. Yeah, I always have the problem with Python. I don't know why it doesn't load the camera. So let me test it on open on Visual Studio Code. So we call it video cam. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, and it works. You can see my mouse from here. So I just press Q, and you could see what we can do here. We can resize it from here, or even here. We can resize the frame, CV2, or frame will be CV2 dot resize. We use the frame and the size, like yeah, let's use this size. So I would show the mouse again. Here you can see it better. So I press Q. Yeah. So let's move on, and I will show you something more important.